YouTube, what is up, man? It's your boy Ronn.Mostwanted, and I'm back at you with another video. And as you can see, I'm getting a little bit faster with my intro game, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm getting used to it. But as you can see, we have 800 and something subscribers, 800 and counting. Before we go on, I need you guys to go ahead. Matter of fact, I just want you to go ahead and look at the subscribe button. You feel me? You don't got to hit subscribe now. But after you watch this video and go ahead and check out some of my other videos, I want you guys to strongly consider subscribing because we are on the road to 1K, man. Hey, whole lot more content coming on the way, man. What more can I say, man? But hey, some of my friends know me by Tay, man. You know what I'm saying? Gotta move low and slow because can't have people knowing where I stay, man. But yo, let me stop chatting. Today we are going to be installing, well, I already installed this. I know, I'm sorry, but I did it already and I just thought about it. I'm like, yo, why am I not recording this? You feel me? This is content. But yeah, I got some LED lights. It's like a little thing here. Let me just show you guys. So it's kind of dark, but hopefully y'all can see. It's a little thing there. You see that? See how I just tap and it go different colors. It also got a color changing mode. I'm not sure how I be activating that joint. Is it like a double click or something? I don't know. It's a color changing mode though, believe me, I'm not lying. But you press and hold it. It's like a little magnetic clip thing that just sits right there underneath the dash, and it's like super hidden so nobody could see it. But yeah. Let me go ahead and look for this other one because I opened the pack up and I didn't record and I have no clue where I just put that other one. So let me look for it. All right, so I found it. Yo, I just found it and I just sat it somewhere, bro. Where did I put it? Where am I losing my mind? I gotta stop with all that. Yes, bro. Come on, you're losing it, Ron. Yo. It's right here shining on the floor. No way. Anyway, let me cut it off real quick. Show y'all the design. So, feel me? This was only $10 from Amazon. I will link it in the description below. Yo, come on, bro. Cooperate. Cut off. Alright. This was only $10 and I will link it in the description below. Nice little cheap mod. Hold on, let me get this. I don't know why the camera doing that. Let me just try to fix that real quick for y'all. All right, I guess that's a little bit better, but yeah, so this was like $10. I will put the link in the description below. So it's essentially just a little LED light, and it comes with this little magnet on the back of it, and then it also comes with this magnet. It's like super strong, so that's what you would use to like mount it up there. Actually, I'm lying. Well, yeah, technically to mount this, but to mount the actual whole thing, oh, this looks crazy, I ain't gonna lie, but this was down under there. Let me just... All right, that's better. So to mount this whole actual thing, there's this little 3M tape adhesive thing that's actually pretty weak, if I say so myself, because when I had it over here on this side, it kept falling. But after I pressed and held it for a couple minutes, it just stayed up there. So we're going to see how it handles over time. But all you do is peel this back and you stick one end up under, or wherever you want to stick it, up under there. And then the other end just sticks to the magnet piece so that you could just clip it on and up. I could show you guys better than I could tell you. I'm not going to lie. So I'm being lazy and I don't feel like getting out the car. So I'm just putting my whole... God. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. All right. So it's 30. Now... as I was saying, you know what? I'm going to take this off and I'm going to come right back to y'all. Okay, cool. So as you can see, I got that off. All you had to do was peel it back. This is like a super sticky, yeah. How I did it, which was easiest for me, was first I stuck the magnet piece that's connected to that, to this, and then I mounted the whole thing up there like that. So I'm going to attempt to show you guys, I guess. Man, I hate the front camera on iPhones, bro. It's such poor quality. Now I got a 14 Pro Max, bro. Feel me? I just mounted on there like perfectly, like so. Sheesh, I said perfectly. What the hell is this? All right, so I just mounted on there like that. Feel me? You got the magnet on this side, so it's gonna clip. The next step is to simply just find a nice little smooth surface under here that you wanna mount it on. Dang, boy, the G got some like weird little places under here. I ain't never even look up under there. What it look like, y'all? Tell me. I never looked under there. So I'm just gonna press like hard as I can without feeling like I'm, you know, doing a little bit too much. All right, we sturdy. So up next, we're just gonna take this and boom. Yeah. Go. Simple, easy LED lights for in the car. Let's put them on white, because I feel like the white, feel me? You getting a new car, the new cars be having a white on the floor sometimes. Oh, that's not bad, but I'm gonna come back to y'all and show y'all again when it's like super dark outside I'm talking about. So maybe it'll look a little better, because right now it look kind of trash. But yeah. And I did forget to show y'all. See it comes on and off just like that. But it does have a little charge port right there. I thought it was gonna come with a charger, but mine didn't. But it got the little charge port right there, so if it go dead, I'll just plug it in. Yeah, pretty cool mod. Do recommend. Feel me? So for the most part, I'm gonna just leave it stuck up there. And when I need it, I'm trying to impress some passengers, I'm gonna just give it that little bow. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? Okay. As y'all can see, we got them both activated. Looking fire, right? What y'all think, man? I think it's cool. It's not as bright as like the LED light strips, but at the same time, I feel like the LED light strips is a little bit ghetto. You know what I'm saying? Just all of those wires hanging by your legs, your leg constantly pulling it down. You got to re-stick it and all of that. Who wants to go through all of that? Now, as you can see, I found a color changing mode. So you got to like tap it twice and hold it. I think that's what I did. But yeah, let me get these boys in sync real quick, because looking a little goofy with it in two different colors at the same time. So let me just situate that. Bro, y'all not gonna believe this shit, bro. This one done died on me already, bro. It won't come on. It won't stay on. No freaking way, bro. But that one works. Alright, so I take it back. This one is ghetto. Okay? Like, how much battery life it come with? Oh, wait. Okay. Alright, so we just gonna make both sides green. Oh, I can't have it looking like Christmas up in here. Unless I just put it in some wrong mode or something. Nah, the battery definitely probably weak, because that side much brighter. Can y'all see that? Let's hop back in the back. Give it a look. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that battery definitely dead. But, yeah, as y'all can see, we got some interior LED lights. Sorry for the ghetto-ness of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. A lot more content coming soon. Make sure you subscribe. I also forgot to tell y'all, also ordered new infinity door logo lights, because them old ones was trashed up. But yeah, oh shoot, I just realized this went out. I gotta get a new bulb for that.